Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. Basically in this video we will be covering Kubernetes port forwarding, and hopefully the audio is better in this video. I'm still recording from my old ThinkPad T420. Just this time around I'm using a cheap microphone that I bought, as opposed to last time where, you know, I was just using the built-in internal mic and that didn't play out that well. Okay, so basically we're going to be port forwarding on our local machine here so we can access a service running on one of our pods. In this case it's going to be an Elasticsearch pod. So let's go ahead and port forward real quick. So we can do that by running kubectl port-forward and then our pod name. Okay, followed by the port on our local machine that we want to use. So 9200, and then 9200 is the port that is being used by Elasticsearch in the pod itself. We're going to want to run this in the background, so we're able to run our API calls afterwards, or you can leave this terminal open and open a new one and do your work there. So that's running in the background. Just hit enter afterwards. That's just a standard output. So we can see that our process is running in the background here. So now we should in theory be able to query our Elasticsearch pod from our local machine. So let's go ahead and do a curl -x get then -s http localhost port 9200 and then cluster /health. I want to pipe this over to JSON so we get prettier terminal output, or well, the Python JSON tool. And there you go. As we can see, we got our cluster health. You can see status is green. Let's go ahead and run another API call to this Elasticsearch cluster. Shouldn't call it a cluster. It's basically just a single node deployment at this moment. So it's just for testing. So let's check our indexes. It's a new deployment, so there's no indexes there. We can go ahead and create a quick one. So we can do that by just, you know, running put and then giving it a name. Hey YouTube, this is my index. Boom. Okay. So now when we run the other query to get our indexes, boom, there we go. So I mean, you get the idea, right? Basically, you're able to do your work on your local machine as opposed to, you know, having to log into the actual pod or another machine to run your API calls. It's a really useful, handy feature, and hopefully this is useful to you. Let me just go ahead and delete it real quick. Boom, awesome. So let me do our get. It's gone again. Say you want to stop port forwarding, you can just do a kill %sign and then the number of the job. In this case it's 1. Boom. So now we have no jobs running, and that was just a quick tutorial on how to do port forwarding in Kubernetes. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.